Personal Development and Well-Being Crash Course, Mindfulness and Meditation. Introduction. In the fast-paced and demanding world we live in, finding moments of peace and tranquility can be a challenge. However, within each of us lies the power to cultivate a sense of inner calm and clarity. This crash course on mindfulness and meditation will guide you on a transformative journey towards greater self-awareness, emotional well-being, and personal growth. Through stories and examples, we will explore the profound benefits of mindfulness and meditation, followed by a comprehensive list of the top 12 techniques to incorporate into your daily practice. Let us embark on this enlightening path together. Chapter 1. The Power of Presence. Story. The Enlightened Monk. In the foothills of a secluded mountain, there lived a wise and enlightened monk named Zenji. People from far and wide sought his guidance on how to find inner peace amidst life's chaos. One day, a weary traveler arrived at Zenji's humble abode, desperately seeking solace from the burdens of the world. Zenji invited the traveler to sit with him by a tranquil stream, where they both closed their eyes and focused on the gentle sound of flowing water. As the minutes passed, the traveler began to feel a deep sense of calm and clarity washing over him. In that moment, Zenji revealed the secret to his peace: the power of being fully present through mindfulness and meditation. Chapter 2. Understanding Mindfulness. Example. The art of tea drinking. Imagine yourself in a serene Japanese tea house, sipping on a cup of matcha tea. With each mindful sip, you become fully present in the moment, savoring the aroma, taste, and texture of the tea. You let go of past regrets and future worries, allowing yourself to be fully immersed in the present experience. This practice of mindful tea drinking serves as a metaphor for the essence of mindfulness, being fully present in the here and now, without judgment or attachment. Chapter 3. Exploring Meditation. Story. The Busy Executive. John, a successful but overwhelmed executive, found himself constantly stressed and anxious. He stumbled upon a meditation workshop and decided to give it a try. At first, he struggled to quiet his racing thoughts and sit in stillness. But with persistence, he discovered the transformative power of meditation. Each day, he dedicated a few minutes to sit in silence, observing his breath and gently guiding his mind back to the present moment. Over time, John noticed a profound shift in his overall well-being. He became more focused, less reactive, and developed a deep sense of inner calm. Meditation became his refuge amidst the busyness of life. Chapter 4. Top 12 Mindfulness and Meditation Techniques. Mindful breathing. Focus on the sensation of each breath, allowing it to anchor you in the present moment. Body scan meditation. Bring awareness to each part of your body, observing physical sensations without judgment. Loving kindness meditation. Cultivate feelings of compassion and love towards yourself and others. Walking meditation. Engage in mindful walking, paying attention to each step and the sensation of your feet touching the ground. Mindful eating. Slow down and savor each bite of your meals, fully experiencing the taste, texture, and nourishment. Visualization meditation. Use the power of visualization to create positive mental images and manifest your desires. Mantra meditation. Repeat a word or phrase, mantra, to quiet the mind and enhance focus. Guided meditation. Follow along with a recorded meditation or a guided meditation app to deepen your practice. Mindful journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings, observing them without judgment. Mindful listening. Truly listen to others. Chapter 4. Top 12 Mindfulness and Meditation Techniques, continued. Mindful listening. Truly listen to others, giving them your full attention without distractions or judgment. Mindful movement. Engage in activities like yoga or tai chi, focusing on the sensations and movements of your body. Mindful gratitude. Cultivate a sense of appreciation for the present moment and express gratitude for the blessings in your life. These techniques serve as powerful tools to cultivate mindfulness and deepen your meditation practice. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you can experience a multitude of benefits, including reduced stress, increased self-awareness, improved focus and concentration, enhanced emotional well-being, and a greater sense of inner peace. Conclusion. In today's fast-paced world, personal development and well-being are essential for leading a fulfilling and balanced life. The practice of mindfulness and meditation offers a pathway to cultivate self-awareness, resilience, and inner peace. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can transform your relationship with yourself and others, enhance your overall well-being, and navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Summarizing our journey, we explored the power of presence and the benefits of mindfulness and meditation through captivating stories and examples. We then delved into the top 12 mindfulness and meditation techniques, providing a comprehensive toolkit for personal growth and well-being. Remember, the key to unlocking the transformative potential of mindfulness and meditation lies in consistent practice and an open heart. Embrace these practices with curiosity and compassion, and allow them to guide you towards a more meaningful and joyful life. Poem. In stillness, I find the rhythm of my soul. A journey within, where peace takes control. Mindfulness whispers, inviting me to stay. In the embrace of the present, come what may. Breathing gently, I let go of the past. Anchored in this moment, it's all I need to grasp. Body and mind aligned, a harmonious blend. As I walk the path of mindfulness, my true self I befriend. Love flows freely, boundless and pure. Kindness radiates, a gift I ensure. Through meditation's embrace, I find solace and grace. Guided by inner wisdom, I embrace life's embrace. The power of visualization, a canvas to create. Manifesting dreams, weaving a destined fate. Mantras soothing chant, calming the restless mind. Transcending limitations, in stillness, I find. Gratitude dances, like stars in the night. For every breath, every dawn, filling me with light. In mindful moments, I find strength and resilience. A sanctuary of serenity, embracing life's brilliance. Song. Verse 1. In the chaos of life, a gentle retreat. To the depths of my being, I find my seat. Mindfulness and meditation, guiding my way. A symphony of peace, with every breath I sway. Chorus. Oh, mindfulness, my sanctuary divine. Through the storms of life, you're my constant sign. In the stillness, I find my strength and clarity. Mindfulness and meditation, my soul's affinity. Verse 2. In the present moment, I release the past. The worries and fears, they cannot last. With each mindful step, I walk my truth. In the silence within, I find my root. Bridge. Breathing in, breathing out. Letting go of all the doubt. In this sacred space I find a peaceful mind, a heart unbind. Chorus. Oh, mindfulness, my sanctuary divine. Through the storms of life, you're my constant sign. In the stillness, I find my strength and clarity. Mindfulness and meditation, my soul's affinity. Outro. As I journey within, I discover the light. The essence of my being, shining so bright. Mindfulness and meditation, my faithful guide. In their embrace, my spirit cannot hide. Chorus. Oh, mindfulness, my sanctuary divine. Through the storms of life, you're my constant sign. In the stillness, I find my strength and clarity. Mindfulness and meditation, my soul's affinity. Tagline. In the embrace of mindfulness, I find my truest self. A symphony of peace, where my spirit finds wealth. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.